The summer's heat hung heavy over London, stifling the city's breath. It began in a baker's shop on Pudding Lane, a tiny spark of malice. Thomas Farriner, the baker, slept unaware of the encroaching doom. The wind, a silent conspirator, fanned the nascent flames. Embers danced like malevolent spirits, licking at the wooden walls. The first tendrils of fire crept through the narrow alleys. A young girl, roused from sleep, screamed a warning into the darkness. Her cries were swallowed by the indifference of the early morning. The flames devoured timber and thatch with ferocious hunger. Houses, packed tightly together, became funeral pyres. Panic ignited faster than the fire itself. The Lord Mayor, Sir Thomas Bloodworth, dismissed the danger too lightly. "A woman might piss it out," he famously scoffed, sealing London's fate. The Thames, a serpentine river, offered no escape from the inferno. Boats, frantically laden with possessions, tried to flee the raging tide. A baker's wife wept, clutching a scorched family heirloom. The fire roared, a monstrous beast consuming all in its path. St. Paul's Cathedral, a beacon of faith, stood defiantly at first. Then the lead melted from its roof, raining down like molten tears. The sky turned an apocalyptic orange, a canvas of destruction. The heat was unbearable, a tangible force pushing against lungs. Furniture crashed, walls crumbled, a symphony of ruin. Families huddled together, praying for deliverance. The king, Charles II, watched from a safe distance, helpless. He ordered the demolition of houses to create fire breaks, a desperate gambit. But the fire, fueled by the wind, mocked their efforts. The smell of burning wood and flesh permeated the air. Children screamed, lost in the chaos, their faces streaked with soot. Lovers parted, uncertain if they would ever see each other again. Animals panicked, adding to the cacophony of despair. The once proud city became a wasteland of embers and ash. Each crackling ember was a testament to London's suffering. The Guildhall, a symbol of civic authority, was consumed. Dust and soot rained down, blanketing everything in darkness. A lone dog howled, a mournful lament for the fallen city. The fire seemed to dance, a macabre celebration of destruction. Memories turned to ash, lives reduced to fleeting moments. Hope dwindled with each crackling flame. The Thames swelled, carrying debris and the remnants of dreams. Silence descended, punctuated only by the roar of the fire. Then, slowly, agonizingly, the wind began to shift. The flames, robbed of their fuel, began to subside. The inferno's grip loosened, releasing its prisoners. But the scars would remain, etched deep into London's soul. 4 days it raged, a fiery reckoning. Over 13,000 houses lay in ruins, a testament to destruction. Few lives were lost officially, but the true cost was immeasurable. The fire consumed not just buildings, but a way of life. From the ashes, a new London would rise, stronger and grander. Christopher Wren's vision would reshape the skyline. Stone would replace wood, fire prevention would become paramount. The memory of the Great Fire would serve as a constant warning. London learned a harsh lesson in the crucible of destruction. The phoenix of London would rise from the ashes, reborn, but the echoes of the fire would forever resonate through its streets. A shadow of the past lingers, a reminder of the fragility of existence. The Great Fire of London, a tragedy etched in history's heart, a testament to resilience, a lesson in humility. London remembers, London rebuilds, London endures. And the embers of 1666